Instagram has made it easier to pull off that grid design and aesthetic you want to achieve no matter how old the post is. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. The Meta-owned app has finally given you the ability to rearrange your grid, almost a year after Instagram head Adam Mosseri announced that the feature was coming. According to sources, you'll be able to move posts around regardless of when you made them anywhere you are in the world. Meta told in the publication, "We know this is long overdue, but we wanted to take the time to get it right." The ability to rearrange the Instagram grid continues to be one of the most requested features on the app, and Meta has been planning to introduce it way before Mosseri announced its arrival last year. Alessandro Paluzzi, who was known for reverse engineering apps and finding unannounced tools, discovered an edit grid option in the Instagram app code way back in 2022. If you're tired of seeing your posts in chronological order and want to move things around, simply go to your profile and long press any post. Along with pin to main grid and archive, you'll now see an option that says Reorder Grid. Tap on it to be taken to another window where you can drag posts to rearrange your content until your profile looks exactly the way you want it to. But remember that any post you pin will remain at the top of your profile and will be blacked out in the Reorder Grid window. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.